Good morning. Hey, this is Danny Michael with Solid Source Realty of Georgia. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Hey, I noticed that you subscribed to our homes list for a home in Smyrna that is for sale. And so I just want to go over a couple of things with you to get you started if you're interested in buying a home. First thing is to get pre-qualified with a lender, and I can send you a lender if you're interested in doing that. I would suggest if you're even wanting to buy a home in a year or 2 years, to go ahead and let a lender look at your credit to make sure you get everything in order to be able to buy a home. Second thing is, if you're interested in getting a homes list for the whole Cobb County area or whole Atlanta area, I can set you up on a search in the MLS that will send you homes out immediately when they're listed. It's kind of how you get a jump on the market today, so that you know when homes immediately hit the market. If you have any other questions, please let me know, and I'm always here to help. My number is 404-625-2231. Thanks a lot and have a blessed day.